Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this spider enclosure, but let's get right into this. So I did get this for my daughter's birthday because me and her both have jumping spiders. You can see it has a lot of stuff in there. So we're going to set this up and then I'm going to show you what it looks like and show you what our spider thinks of it. So she is done decorating her spider cage.
Come here,
now we're
Luna.
gonna get our little jumping spider. Oh!
Oh, I have to grab it. Come here. It's okay. Be gentle.
So this is the jumping spider.
Oh!
See how she likes her new. She jumped in the water. I think she's gonna love it.
Yeah.
Now she gets a new home. So this is what the spider looks like in her enclosure. She has been in here for a few days and she absolutely loves it. She's already been inside that cloud bed as well. It's so cute though. You can see it has the mushrooms, the little water dish, little things for her to climb on. She likes to get behind this webbing back here a lot. It's so cute. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.